In today's episode of our workshop, I want to walk you through how you can design this. Welcome to August social media flyer. In Photoshop, I will guide you how to make this masterpiece, how to design this masterpiece, how to make Photoshop easy to follow and easy to use in this tutorial today. Without wasting too much of our time, let's dive into our new file. We are using 4x5 inches in this particular tutorial. We can names our project. So resolution 300 RGB color, all settings like this as usual. You can leave it as default. You can create our project. So this is how our interface looks like. So the next thing is to head into our adjustment. I'll click on the solid color. I'm not using this particular color. I'll show you the color that I want to use. Just like gray color like this. I think this is really cool. You can see the color code. I'll just click OK. So after we created this, the next one is to bring our background. Bring our floor background. Our position is very well. So I'll just click OK. I'll pick the layer mask beside it. I'll just head over to our brush. You can see if your cap lock, if your icon, your brush is showing like this, you can off your cap lock on your keyboard. So you can see, let me show you how you can choose your software brush. Hardness should be 0. The size should be 200 for now. I'll just click it outside here. I can increase my brush by pressing my bracket. I'll just fade the part that you want to see. Just clean it up. Reduce your brush. Just clean this part. You can see it. This is really cool. I think I like it like this. This is fine. I can click OK. So the next step in this one is head over to our resources again. All these resources we use in this tutorial. The link of these resources will be in the comment section, so you can go and download it archive as well. So I'll just bring this background, drop it here. So I'll just make it fitting the interface of the background very well. You see, I'll just click OK. The next one is to create a layer mask beside this. Head over to our brush again. I'll just clean this part that you don't want to see. Just clean it up like this. This is really cool. So the next thing is to just click on this background. I'll head over to adjustments, click on the brightness contrast. So if you show like this, I'll click masses inside this. So I'll just increase the volume of the brightness. The volume I'm using is 23 for now. Yeah, and increase the contrast, which is the 13 for now. Just think you already achieved that. So the next step is to head over to our resources again and bring this door background. I'll just drop it here. As you can see, I'll just drop it here like this. You don't need to do anything, but it's already fitting on the interface. I'll click OK. So this is really cool. The next step in this particular, after we've done the background and everything like this, you just head over to the text. You just change this color to black. I'll just click OK. So I'll just change my text names. Text name I'm using here. I'm using like Adore Online. So the name of the font will be apply on the screen. So just write the text, which is the welcome. So I'll just click OK. So I'll position it like this. So I'll hold my alt alternative key. So to duplicate this text. So I'll just write August. I'll just click OK. So I'll change this color of this. I'll change this to red. You can see I'll just click OK. The next thing is I'll just zoom it. I'll click on my zoom tools. So just zoom this. You see what I'm trying to do here. I'll just click outside here. I'll position it very well. I'll just make it bold. I'll make it, I think it's okay like this for us. I'll position it like this. I'll just click OK. So the next step in this particular one is to head over to our text again. I'll click here. I'll just write bold. I'll click OK. I'll change this particular color. I'll change this to black. I'll click OK again. So I'll just resize this. I'll position it here. I'll click OK. I'll change this font, the name of the font. I'll change this to large. Text. That is the one I want to use here. Turn this to bold. for now, or semi-bold. Let's use semi-bold for it. Okay, you see. So the next thing is to highlight everything. You see, highlight it and make it bold a little bit. Highlight it like this. You see, and position it like this. So I think we have done that part for us. So the next thing is to group it. You want to group. So I think we have done that part. So I can break it down into bit. Now see this particular background that we created, I'll just click on this layer beside it. Just create about here like this. You see, I think this is nice. I can zoom out like this. So I will just write the remaining text that I want to put here. So I'll copy this particular point. So I'll just head over to my text. So I'll just apply the text. I'll just paste it right on text. Ctrl A to align it. So just reduce the size to 8 volume for now. Click OK. So I'll just position it here. You can see it is very large. You can reduce it a little bit and reduce it like this. I'll just put it like this. Finally, we have done that part for us. So the next one, after we write our text finish, the next one to do is to just head over to our resources file and bring its model image. I will drop it here down like this. So this is it. I'll just drop it down. Okay. So if you want to know how you can generate your image using Flow to generate the image for the social media flyer, so you can see the video that's popping up here. Just go and watch the video. This video is talking about how you can generate the image or resources that you can use it for the social media flyer. This video is talking about this. The next thing is to head over to our video again. So that's we just make it bold. We enlarge it like this, enlarge it like this. You can see, I think this is really cool. I think I like it like this. This is really fine. So the next step in this particular one, you don't need to do some shadow, something like this. So I think that is really cool for us. I will just created a new layer beside it. So I'll head over to my medium tools. Just let it to load. I'll click on this guy and I'll click on this video, which is transparent. For this, I'll click outside. Next one is to apply the gradient beside it like this. And see, just apply it like this. I'll just click outside again. So we need to do click on the layer beside it. Just want to fade some parts. You can see, we just want to fade some parts there. I'll just clean it some parts that we can see. Just clean it like this. You see, I think this is really cool for me. I think I like it like this. So after we created the grading tools, the next one to do is to bring our handle, our social media handle and the logo and everything. Just bring our social media icon. You can use yours. So I'll just drop it at the top here like this. I'll reduce it a little bit. I'll position it like this. Reduce it a little bit. Yeah. The next thing after we've done that one, you just press Ctrl A to highlight the selection and everything. I'll just position it like this, which is really cool. I'll press Ctrl D to deselect. That is the shortcut of this. So the next thing is to bring the contact and WhatsApp and everything. To bring it down, I'll just bring it on my resources file. I'll drop it down here like this. So I'll just position it down like this. You can reduce it a little bit and see, position it down like this. So you see, the next thing is to just click on this. I'll just move it up a little bit. I think we will still put some shadow there. We click on this down, we put a new layer, head over to the brush. You click on the brush here, so you can change. You can see, you can rotate this icon like this. I'll just click outside here. You can reduce the brush. So let me zoom in to see what I'm trying to achieve there. See it. So you can just apply the brush on the shadow indicated. So I think this is really cool. After we done that one, we just reduce the opacity a little bit, not too much. Yeah, that's it. That's it. We can zoom out like this, position it like this. I think this is really cool. I think I can see it's really nice for us. So I can zoom out again. Zoom out. You can click on this guy. You can clean a little bit of this, so it's not really looking sharp. You can say this is really nice for me. So this is how I achieve this. Welcome to August social media flyer in Photoshop. And if this video is really helping you are gaining value in this tutorial, just like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial, turn on the notification bell, and share with your fellow designers. Thank you everybody. I really appreciate. Happy New Month once again. See you in my next episode. Bye for now.